Hello, Goodisans. Welcome to another episode of Goody Yari's Point of View. Today, we're going to talk about something na nakaka-relate ang karamihan. At sigurado din ako naging biktima na rin kayo at naka-experience na rin kayo ng ganito. I'm talking about the toxic greetings na laging unang bungad ng mga relatives natin, mga kaibigan natin, or even yung nakakasalamuha lang natin minsan sa kanto at nakita kay bigla. Imagine this. After months o baka nga taon pa of not seeing each other, ang unang marinig mo ay, "Huy, tumaba ka ha." Or, "Grabe, pumayat ka." Or worse, "Wala ka pa rin anak?" Or di kaya'y, "Kailan ka mag-aasawa?" Naku, bakit ganun agad? Nakakatawa na nakakainis. Pero teka lang, ano ba talaga ang problema natin mga Pilipino kung bakit tayo may ganito? Alam ko, hindi naman lahat ay may bad intentions when they say stuff like this. It's almost become part of our culture, a way of saying, "Uy, namiss kita." Pero, imagine mo yung taong binati mo. You haven't seen them for a long time. Pero ang unang napansin mo agad ay yung weight nila or their personal life decisions. Seryoso? That's how you want to reconnect? Kung ikaw kaya ang nakatanggap ng ganong comment, okay ka lang ba? Alam mo yung feeling na instead of being happy to see them, parang ang bigat na agad ng atmosphere kasi may mga bagay silang pinansin na sensitive sa'yo. Ang awkward nun, di ba? At bakit ba lagi tayong ganun? Bakit natin inuuna ang mga bagay na hindi naman kailangan sabihin? Minsan kasi sinasabi nila, totoo naman kasi. Daw? Pero does it make any lesser? Nakakabawas ba siya kapag sinabi mo totoo naman daw? It doesn't really make sense, right? Here's the truth. Hindi natin alam kung ano talaga ang pinagdadaanan ng bawat isa. Yung binati mo ng, "Huy, tumaba ka," baka recovering siya from a serious illness. Baka nagme-medication siya na nagpapalakas ng appetite niya. Yung pinintisan mong pumayat, pwedeng may personal tragedy siya na kinakaharap o baka sobrang stressed sa trabaho kaya halos wala na siyang gana kumain. At yung mga favorite nating mga tanungan o linyahan, "Wala ka pa bang anak?" or "Kailan ka ba mag-aasawa?" You know what? You never know what kind of a struggle or heartbreak they are facing. They could be dealing with fertility issues or maybe baka hindi pa sila ready emotionally or financially. Masakit marinig yan. Lalo na kung matagal na nilang iniisip o inaasam na mangyari pero hindi pa dumadating. It's already 2024. Let's be real. It's time to cancel this kind of toxic greetings. It's no longer cute and it definitely isn't funny. Akala mo simple comment lang, pero sa totoo lang, binubuhusan mo ng negativity yung tao. Pag ikaw ang binati ng ganito, does it feel good? Of course not. So why would you think it's okay to do it to someone else? Ang hirap, di ba? Because minsan, tayo rin guilty sa gatong behavior. Pero it's never too late to change. Maging mindful tayo moving forward instead of commenting on their weight, status, or life choices. Let's make it a habit to greet people with kindness and positivity. Kasi hindi naman natin sila nakikita araw-araw. So we have no idea what they're going through emotionally, physically, financially, or medically. Alam niyo yun, hindi naman kailangan maging complex ang pagbati. Baka pwede namang as simple as, "Kamusta ka na?" O di kaya, "Ang tagal na natin hindi nagkikita, kamusta ang buhay mo?" It sounds better, right? By doing this, you open up the conversation in a way na mas magaan at mas sincere. Mas maging totoo pang usapan ninyo dahil mas binibigyan mo sila ng space to share what's really going on their lives instead of making them feel bad about themselves agad-agad. Kasi the reality is, you're showing your care without making them feel insecure or uncomfortable. Let's be more thoughtful. Hindi natin kailangan lagi mag-comment sa itsura ng isang tao o sa personal decision nila sa buhay. They don't owe us explanations. Kung gusto mo maging closer sa isang tao, the way to go is to be mindful. A simple, warm, and thoughtful greeting can do wonders for your relationships. Kamusta ka? Ano mga pinagkakaabalahan mo ngayon? These are the questions na nagpaparamdam sa tao na genuine ang interest mo sa kanila. Yung mga awkward questions like, "Kailan ka mag-aasawa?" or "Wala ka pang anak?" Let's just drop them na. Hindi na talaga siya nakakatuwa. They are unnecessary and honestly, they do more harm than good. Let's aim for real connections, hindi yung small talk na nakakasakit ng feelings ng iba. So, good essence. Nakaka-relate ba kayo? Have you ever experienced this toxic kind of greeting? Yung akala mo magiging masaya yung reunion o pagkikita nyo, pero biglang masasira ang vibe dahil may comment na hindi mo inasahan? I want to hear your stories. Share nyo yan sa comment section at pag-usapan natin. Siyempre, if you found this video helpful or eye-opening, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Malay mo, sila rin guilty, di ba? Damay-damay na. Also, make sure to follow and subscribe to our social media accounts para updated kayo sa next episode ng Goody Yaris Point of View. At laging tandaan, let's all be kinder and more mindful in how we greet people. Until next time, good sense, paalam!